Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Market Musings with Watanabe. My name is Princess Rasta, and today we are going to discuss an interesting trading idea which is shared by Options IQ. So let's just quickly check that out. So the idea here is related to short strangle. All you had to do was if you short Nifty at the money minus 200 put and at the money plus 200 call to the nearest weekly, nearest 100 strike price on Monday for expiry. So the data here says that since Jan 23 onwards, there were around 40 such expiries, out of which 32 were wins, and which is an 80% of winning. The average expectation here is 8 points. Max loss here was 38 points, which was on 9th of October. That was majorly due to shorting call. And if you would have played around the strategy, definitely you would have made 315 points versus the benchmark of 1085, which is a 30% versus the benchmark. Now, if we see our 1 by P value, it shows that our data is statistically significant. And the profit factor here is 4, which means that for every $1 you lost, you would have made $4. And if we see here on monthly basis, we can see all the months were in green except for in October, which is down by around 30 points. Max profit was here in the month of July, which is 69 points, followed by in the month of March, which is 65 points. So that's a short strangle idea for you. Also, do let us know if you take this strategy and whether it will start continuing with its winning streak or there will be a loss. And yeah, so that's an interesting trading idea shared by Options IQ. Moving towards our global indices, we can see that all the frontline indices, US frontline indices are in green. Gift Nifty is up by around 29 points. That did indicate a green start for the Indian market. In the commodity section, we can see that the price of gold and silver has gone down and Brent crude is hovering around $87 per barrel. In FI and DI data, we can see both FIs and DIs have bought in the cash market, and FI and derivatives, they've gone short in index futures and in index options. And overall, there is a selling of around 8,226 crores. So in today's research we have is IMF projections, the fastest growing economies in 2024. So the projection here says that, so this is an IMF projection for October 2023 as per the World Economic Outlook. So it's very interesting to see that the diverse range of countries experiencing significant economic growth, with Asia and Sub-Saharan Africa leading the way. Now, in Asia, we see in 2024, Asia Pacific showcases its remarkable growth here, spearheaded by Macau, which is up by around 27.2%, mainly relying on its tourism, that is contributing 70% of its GDP. Then is followed by Palau, which is 12.4%. So it's a cluster of 340 islands, with tourism contributing 40% of its GDP. Then, of course, we have India, which is 6.3%. Now, it's the world's populous country, and it foresees robust expansion, set to peak at 1.7 billion people by 2064. In Sub-Saharan Africa, also boasts rapid growth, notably in Niger and Senegal. Niger here is 11.1%, followed by Senegal, which is 8.8%. However, a recent coup in Niger threatens its economic stability, potentially impacting the oil field exports due to global sanctions. Senegal's growth linked to the oil industry faces fluctuation in the future. And here, if we see Guyana, which is at number 2, which is 26.6% GDP. So it is with just 8,15,000 people emerges as a powerhouse, attributing its growth to oil exports, holding 11 billion barrels in reserves. It was the fastest growing economy globally in 2023, expanding to 62%, likely to continue this trend with an expected growth of 37%. So the world watches these dynamic economies as they redefine global economic landscapes. So that's it in market musings from my side. Stay tuned to our channel for more such updates. And yeah, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and have a good day.